Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Starting a cleaning business in 2024 is like entering an arena where the stakes are higher, but the rewards can be life-changing. If you've been dreaming of building your own cleaning empire from scratch, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner with zero experience or someone looking to expand an existing operation, this video will walk you through the essential steps to take your cleaning business to the next level. First off, let's talk about finding your niche. The cleaning industry is vast, and in 2024, specialization is key. Do you want to focus on residential cleaning, commercial spaces, or maybe something more niche like eco-friendly cleaning services? Identifying your niche not only helps you stand out, but also allows you to charge premium rates for specialized services. Imagine being the go-to service in your area for green cleaning or for a spotless, pet-friendly environment. The choice of niche is where your empire begins. Now, once you've nailed down your niche, it's time to talk about branding. In 2024, having a strong brand is non-negotiable. Your brand is more than just a logo or a catchy name. It's the promise you make to your clients. It's what sets you apart from every other cleaning service out there. Invest time in creating a brand identity that reflects your values, whether that's efficiency, eco-friendliness, or luxury. Your branding should speak to your target audience and make them feel that you're the best choice for their needs. Next, let's tackle the tools and technologies that will streamline your operations. The cleaning industry is no stranger to innovation, and in 2024, leveraging the right tech can make or break your business. From scheduling software that minimizes downtime to automation tools that help you manage inventory, investing in the right technology is crucial. Consider using apps that allow clients to book services online, track your cleaning teams in real time, and send automated invoices. These tools not only increase efficiency, but also enhance the customer experience, which is essential for repeat business and referrals. Speaking of referrals, marketing your services effectively is another cornerstone of building a successful cleaning empire. In 2024, digital marketing is your best friend. Gone are the days when a flyer in a mailbox was enough. Now you need to be where your customers are, online. Start by creating a user-friendly website that showcases your services, customer testimonials, and contact information. Then, focus on social media platforms where your target audience hangs out. Whether it's Instagram, LinkedIn, or even TikTok, social media is a powerful tool to build brand awareness and engage with potential clients. Don't forget about SEO. Making sure your website appears in local search results is crucial for driving organic traffic. But it's not just about getting new clients. You also need to focus on retaining them. Offering exceptional customer service is a no-brainer, but how do you go above and beyond in 2024? Consider implementing loyalty programs, offering discounts for referrals, or even sending personalized thank you notes after each service. Small gestures like these can make a huge difference in client retention and turn one-time customers into loyal advocates for your business. Now, let's get into the trends shaping the cleaning industry this year. Sustainability is no longer just a buzzword, it's a necessity. Clients are increasingly looking for services that are not only effective, but also environmentally friendly. This means using green cleaning products, reducing water usage, and minimizing waste. By positioning your business as eco-conscious, you're not only doing your part for the planet, but also attracting a growing segment of clients who prioritize sustainability. Another trend is the rise of subscription-based cleaning services. Offering clients a subscription model can provide a steady stream of revenue and ensure you're top of mind when they think about cleaning services. Imagine clients signing up for weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly cleanings that automatically renew. It's convenient for them and stable income for you. A win-win. Scaling your business is the next big step, and it's where many cleaning businesses either thrive or struggle. One of the keys to successful scaling is building a reliable team. Hiring the right people is crucial. Look for individuals who share your vision, are detail-oriented, and can provide the level of service that your clients expect. Training is equally important. Invest in ongoing training for your team to ensure they're up to date with the latest cleaning techniques and technologies. Another aspect of scaling is expanding your service offerings. Once you've established a strong foothold in your niche, consider adding complementary services. For example, if you specialize in residential cleaning, you could add carpet cleaning, window washing, or even home organization services. This not only increases your revenue streams, but also deepens your relationship with clients by being a one-stop shop for their needs. Finally, let's talk about mindset. Building a cleaning empire requires more than just business acumen. It requires resilience, dedication, and a willingness to keep learning. The entrepreneurial journey is filled with ups and downs, but staying focused on your goals and being adaptable to changes in the market will set you apart from the competition. Surround yourself with a support network, whether it's mentors, fellow entrepreneurs, or a strong team, to keep you motivated and inspired. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your existing business, 2024 offers countless opportunities to build a thriving cleaning empire. By finding your niche, leveraging technology, mastering marketing, and staying on top of industry trends, you're well on your way to success. Remember, every empire starts with a single step, so take that step today and start building the cleaning business of your dreams. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Keep pushing forward, and we'll see you in the next video.